Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite guy here, IAMJESSFECHI, and I'll welcome you to today's video. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a heatless curls without using any heat. And for this video, I'm going to be using wipes, yes, baby wipes to achieve curls. As you guys can see, I have already revamped this hair, washed it and revamped it. All I need to do is to style it, and this is the baby wipes I'm going to use. I'm also going to use, what you can see here is just leave-in conditioner and water mixed together. I'm also going to use a tail comb to achieve the curl. So first things I'm going to be doing first is to section my hair. Yes, I'm going to be sectioning my hair so I can get the first layer that I want to work on. And hey besties, if this is your first time of ever coming across my channel, my name is IAMJESSFECHI. Join this beautiful family by clicking on the subscribe button that you can see, so you can get so much from this community. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for your constant love and support. I don't take it for granted at all. So as you guys can see here, I have already sectioned my hair, and I'm going to be dividing this hair into 3. So I am wetting it. I just wet it right now with my leave-in conditioner and water mixture. And after doing that, I will comb it out, make sure there are no tangles on the hair, make sure I comb it out very well. Then I will take my wipe. The first style I'm doing here is I'm rolling it in. I'm putting the wipe on top of the hair. I did 2 methods for this video, but I chose this first one, so that was what I ended up doing for the whole hair. But for this first one, I'll be putting the wipe on top of the hair, and then you roll it in. You roll it in to get to the desired length. If you don't want it to get to the tip of the hair, you can just do it however you want. Maybe not getting to the tip of the hair. As you guys can see, it's still a little bit not close to the tip of the hair. And for this second hair that I'm sectioning right now, I'll be doing the second style. But first of all, comb it out, make sure there are no tangles. Wet it, spray the leave-in conditioner and water mixture on it. And after you are done doing that, you comb it out as well again. Make sure there are no bit of tangle on this hair, because if there are tangles, if you don't comb it very well, you will not get a good curls, you will not get a good hair. And after you're doing that, yes, as you can see, for the second one, I placed the hair on top of the wipe, and instead of rolling it out, I rolled it in, as I'm doing right now. Just watch and see what I'm doing. I'm rolling it in, but I ended up going with the first one, which is to roll it, as in roll it out. I don't know, just watch the video so you'll see what I'm doing, because I don't know how to explain it. But for this one, I'm rolling it in, but I prefer the first one. Whichever one you prefer, guys, just make sure you follow this procedure. And for this third one, like I said, I went to the first option. So for this third one, I forgot to add my curl keeper. So I'm going to be doing that for this third one. Spray the hair with the leave-in conditioner and water mixture. Make sure you massage into the hair very well. And this is the curl keeper I'll be applying on this hair. This is the curl keeper I'm going to be applying on this hair. And apply it, you make sure you use your hand to massage it into the hair very well. Then use the tail comb to comb it out to make sure it gets to every strand of the hair that you picked. And then fold your wipes into that. Fold the first one into 2, then fold it again. Put the wipe on top of the hair and then roll it, not in, roll it out. If you understand, you just look at what I'm doing to get what I am trying to say, and then you roll it all the way in. So the desired length you want. If you want it to be half length, you want it to be full length, like you're free to do that. So I'm just going to leave you guys to watch this video and see how I do this, and I will see you guys later. This is 3 days after I did the course and it is completely dry. Like even the wipes, no single drop of water, the hair completely dry. So I am removing the coils right now. I'm removing the wipes, I mean, right now. And this is what you guys are seeing me as I am doing right now. The coils are coming out nicely and it's already giving me what I want. As you guys can see, because are coming out, and for me to remove this wipe, I'm twisting it to get the desired curl. But you can twist the curl to the right or to the left, however you want it, but you're still going to get the curls. So it doesn't matter the direction you twist it. While trying to remove the wipes, it will still give you the curls. Just watch me as I remove all the whole wipes. And for this video, I am not going to be leaving the curls like this. I'm going to be combing it out because I want it to have a fuller look. If you know you don't want to comb it out like I did, I'm going to show you that you're going to see it in this video like I did. You can just use your hands to separate the curls, but I didn't want that look. I think I'll do a separate video of heatless curls with baby wipes, but this time I am not going to be combing out the curls. I'm just going to be using my hands to release the curls, like free them up. If you want that video, just let me know in the comment section and I'll gladly do a video on that. As you guys can see, I am removing the last baby wipes from the hair, and this is what it is giving right now. As you guys can see, the curls are very, very, very tight and I don't want this look, so I'm going to be putting this oil to make it shine. Just make it shine, bring out the shine in the hair. That is what this video is for. It's just a hair oil. So I'm going to be rubbing it thoroughly all over the hair, and when I'm done with that, then I will show you guys the next thing I'm going to do, which is to comb it out. Yes, I'm using this white tooth comb to comb it out. Like I said, if you want me to do a video of another way you can do this hair without not combing it out, another heatless coil, which is still baby wipes heatless coil but not combing the hair out, then let me know in the comment section and I will gladly do that video for you guys. So yeah, I'm loving the outcome. This is exactly the cause I was going for. I want it to be voluminous. Like I want the hair to be very, very full, and that is why I had to make my curls this tight. Like I said from the beginning of this video, if you don't want it to be too tight, if you just want the curls at the tip of the hair, you don't need to roll it all the way to the edge of the hair. You just need to do it halfway through the hair and then you leave it. The curls are just going to stay halfway, just the way you did it. If you also want me to do that one, showing you when you do heatless coils with baby wipes and you don't roll it up to the weft of the hair, then let me know and I will do that in a separate video, which is 2 videos now that I'm thinking of doing with you guys. But that is if you guys let me know if you actually want the videos. And this is the coil that it gave me, which is exactly what I was looking for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned how to curl your hair with baby wipes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now, besties. Mwah.